And welcome back to another 12 days of giveaways, where every single day for 12 days, I'm giving away one of my favorite things. And today I'm so excited. This is by far the coolest, the biggest, the best prize I've ever given away on this channel. So stay tuned to the end of the video for this giveaway. You don't want to miss that. But before we get into it, I want to share a quick holiday tip with you. And that's how to get organized and organize your gift wrap for this holiday season. And I have two different ways that I love to get organized. My favorite is definitely this custom gift wrapping center. And I love it because I don't have a lot of space. So this fits right under my bed. It slides under my bed when I'm not using it, but it can hold up to 15 rolls of gift wrap, and underneath is where I store all of my bags and boxes and larger things like that. But it has all of these great little bins for bows and tags. Have you guys tried this gift wrap cutter yet? I'm not a big gadget lover, but this, if you can't cut a straight line to save your life like I cannot, this is definitely a worthwhile investment. But I keep everything, the tags, the ribbon, the smaller things, even all of my little gift card boxes in one place. And I love it because it is so portable that if I want to wrap with the family, we can bring it to the living room. But if I want to hide the wrapping from the kids, I can do it in my bedroom. But if you don't have space under a bed, this hanging option is also pretty incredible. So much storage. And on the back, it has places for all of the gift bags and boxes. This is a really great option with lots of compartments, and you can turn any closet into a gift wrapping center. Let me know in the comments below what you're using to organize your gift wrap. And I definitely think these are such budget-friendly options. For under $30, you can organize your gift wrap and keep it that way long term. Are you ready for the giveaway? Maybe you have lots of gift wrap and you're like, I need a whole room for all my gift wrap. Are you ready? The ultimate organizer for craft supplies, gift wrapping supplies, hands down, is a dream box. A dream box from Crate Room is a crafter's dream come true, which is why they call it a dream box. It is gorgeous. It has so many compartments for everything you want to get organized. And guess what? We're giving one away. One of you lucky winners is going to win a dream box from Create Room. This is such an incredible gift. This, hands down, the best organizer for crafters. It's incredible. I actually gave one as a surprise gift to my mother-in-law years ago, and I was so blown away by the quality, by how much storage was inside, how beautiful this piece of furniture is. If you wish you had a designated craft room but just don't have the space, a dream box is for you, and one of you is going to win one of these amazing dream boxes. Okay, all you have to do to enter is click the link in the description, enter your email and name. You'll also see other ways to get bonus entries too. I'm just so grateful, so grateful to Create Room for donating this incredible prize. And if you want to learn more about Create Room and the Dreambox and all the other incredible organizing products they have, I'm going to put a link to them down below. It's www.createroom.com, and they have a ton of incredible solutions perfect for crafters. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is an exciting one. You'll have all the way to December 16th to enter to win, and make sure you go back and enter all the prizes we've already shared and share it with your friends and family. Seriously, this could be the most incredible holiday gift ever. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.